Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Hakim bin Nasirin. I'm the team leader for Group Tengma. So, uh, basically, I want to present my, not my, our group project, which is the initial study for our developed system, new development. So, I'll present my part. Okay. Okay. For the for first that want to uh, present the proof is introduction and the appointment. The introduction and basically our orientation background is we are developing which is want to develop a new system with which we call evaluation system. It's for RSD usage, also for student and non-student, so they can book a venue, book a venue, and then use, and the data can be automatically key in, not by a manual method, which is the staff need to key in the data by itself. So the second is the problem statement. Okay, we found out that this method, this manual method for what, for booking a venue at the AUM, it's quite complicated because they need to go to the office and then ask the staff or call for availability for a certain venue with a certain time, and then it's quite complicated for student and also for the non-student because they need to come to the office to basically to ask the availability for the venue, and for the RSD itself they need to key in the data manually. So it's from both sides, it's quite workload for them. And then let's move on to the use case diagram that I work on, which is the payment part. So you can see several steps, which is the actor. In this case, is the student and the non-student. So the student will make a payment, and then he or she can choose whether to make an online payment or cash payment. Then select the bank or set the payment, make online payment. The option, it's either cash online or plus one is option. It's partial. It's the the student or the non-student pay in advance first, and and before the end of the event they will pay the rent. So after that, after they do the payment, and the receipt will be displayed, so they can either download or either just look at it. And then let's move on to the use plus diagram. Okay, there are uh, 5 classes, which is first one is students. Consists of student ID, student name, position, and club name, and it's uh, the relationship is one to many, because one student can book many few venue. And then the student also, it consists of the ID, the name, the address, and the phone number. Also one to many relationship. The venue is consists of ID, student ID, and student name. So its relationship is one to many to booking. Okay, booking is quite the main point actually, see, in this development. So there is a booking ID, venue ID, the time and the date. So the payment is one to one relationship, because one booking can only have one payment. So the payment will have the booking ID, restaurant ID, and the receipt number, and etc. So that's all from me. The next presenter have will present uh, their part on the next video. Okay, thank you.